The 51 coin is one of South Korea's standard circulation coins. Introduced in its modern form in 1972, it holds a modest place in daily transactions, sort of like a nickel in the US, or a 50-cent coin in other countries. But that doesn't mean it's not worth a closer look. Let's start with the basics. The 51 coin is part of South Korea's won currency system, where 100 won equals 1 South Korean won. While inflation has made it less useful in day-to-day life, it's still an officially minted coin. The 51 denomination has an interesting history. It was first introduced in 1972 to fill a gap in denominations between 10 won and 100 won coins. Its design and composition have undergone several changes since then. The 1972 version had a brass composition, but starting in 1983, it switched to an aluminum-bronze alloy. This change made the coin lighter and cheaper to produce. The design we see in 2004 is essentially the same as the one adopted in 1983. Now, let's zoom in on the 2004 version. The obverse of the coin features an image of a rice ear, symbolizing agriculture, growth, and prosperity. Underneath it, you'll see the denomination in Korean. That's 51, the year of minting. In this case, 2004, is also clearly displayed. On the reverse, it's simple and clean, the word Bank of Korea, and the number 50 in large numerals, emphasizing its denomination. This minimalistic design reflects the functional and straightforward style of modern Korean currency. The 20450 coin has the following physical specs. Diameter, 21.6 millimeters. Weight, 4.16 grams. So, is the 2004 version rare? The answer is, not really. The Bank of Korea minted over 50 million of them in that year. So while it may not be rare in terms of numbers, certain coins in excellent condition, or with mint errors, could be of interest to collectors. Always keep an eye out for oddities. Coin collectors, or numismatists, often pay a premium for coins with unusual features, in terms of face value. The 51 is worth, well, 51. That's less than 5 US cents. But what about collectible value? As of now, a standard 2004 51 in circulated condition isn't particularly valuable, typically selling for its face value or slightly more, around 10 cents to 50 cents. However, uncirculated or proof versions can go for $1, $3, especially if they're part of a complete year set. Here are a few fun facts you might not know about the 51 coin. The rice ear design was chosen to reflect South Korea's strong agricultural roots. The coin has been used in vending machines, subways, and arcades, though less now due to inflation. The 51 coin is sometimes used in math classrooms to teach kids about currency and decimal systems. So even if it's not a rare collector's item, it still has a role in Korean culture and education. So, should you hang on to that 2004 51 coin? If it's in excellent condition, or you're building a complete set of Korean coins, definitely. If you stumble across a mint error, get it appraised. Otherwise, it's a neat little piece of Korean currency that tells a story of modern design, national pride, and economic history.